Hi students, many of you might be new to Canvas, and I just wanted to give you a brief tour of how to find your class. One of the things that you might want to do first once you get into your account is either go to the dashboard, or you can also go to courses, and what you want to do is find ELIC 23. So that's kind of the beginning of how to navigate Canvas. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you go to modules and take a look at what is available to you. We have a getting started module here, and many times you can look over to the right and see your to-do list. Many times each week we will have a certain number of things that you will need to accomplish. These are online tasks. The to-do list will give you a number of points that sometimes the online tasks are worth and the due date. Another way of looking at is to go week by week and make sure anytime you see online task, you want to be sure to do that, and then the due date is typically right underneath it. To find these modules, you can go to modules, or you can also go to home. And again, if we are getting started here, our first online task there is a syllabus quiz, and all you need to do is just click on the online task and follow the instructions. Also, again, I just want to let you know that I'm also available to help you. Feel free to email me if you're having any problems, or come see me during my office hour if you are not quite sure how to navigate Canvas or complete the assignments online. I'm here for you, so let me know if there's anything I can do to help.